Centrifugal force is created when an object moves in a circular path, pushing everything outward from the center of rotation. In a centrifuge, this force can be thousands of times stronger than gravity, causing particles to separate based on their mass and density. Let me paint you a picture that my students love. Imagine you're on a carnival ride, one of those spinning UFO rides where you're stuck to the wall. That's centrifugal force in action. Your heavier friend gets pushed harder against the wall than your lighter friend. The same thing happens in a centrifuge tube. Heavier particles experience a stronger push and move outward faster. And here's a fun fact, when we spin samples at 10,000 RPM, the force can be so strong it's like stacking 10,000 elephants on top of your sample. Pretty wild, right? If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.